Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essential bank details so you can find the SWIFT code fast. Have the recipient bank name, country, and branch city in front of you, plus the account number or IBAN if available. Once done, check a recent bank statement or deposition slip for printed routing cues. These items reduce guesswork and let you confirm results. Make sure to work from official account records rather than memory to avoid delays or errors. Next, use trusted sources to locate the SWIFT code precisely. Go to the bank's official website and look for international payments or contact customer service directly. Tell them the branch city to narrow results. You can also check your online banking profile or a recent statement where the SWIFT/BIC sometimes appears. Once you find a candidate, verify it matches the expected SWIFT format, 8 or 11. Finally, verify the SWIFT code before you send money. Confirm it on official bank letterhead or with a live agent, then enter the code exactly into your transfer form. Small typos break routing. Once entered, make a small test transfer if timing and fees allow, so you can confirm correct receipt. If anything looks off or the transfer is rejected, immediately call the bank's support. This single troubleshooting step prevents lost funds and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.